Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to log into your Mississippi Secretary of State, SOS, account. If you're looking to access essential services and resources provided by the Mississippi Secretary of State's office, you're in the right place. In this detailed tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of signing into your SOS.ms.gov account, ensuring you can navigate government services hassle-free. Let's dive into the world of SOS.ms.gov login and start exploring together. First, open your browser and type SOS.ms.gov login into the Google search bar, then hit Enter. Click on the top result that appears. In the opened website, you'll see the login panel in the middle of the screen. First, fill in the username field, then the password field, and click on the login button. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot Password button next to the Login button. You can reset your password from there. Logging into your SOS.ms.gov account is the first step towards accessing vital government services and resources in Mississippi. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily navigate the SOS.ms.gov platform and stay informed. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Here's to seamless access to government services with SOS.ms.gov.